My name is Madalam Rupin and I'm a grade 5 natural science teacher. Natural science and technology student teacher. The topic I was teaching today was electric circuits and components. My three lesson objectives using Bloom's taxonomy were: first, the learners must be able to define an electric circuit and identify the battery, wire and bulb. Second, learners must be able to construct a simple closed circuit. And lastly, the learners must be able to evaluate and explain why the circuit works or why the circuit failed. For the introduction phase, I used a YouTube video on my laptop connected to the projector to show how electricity flows. As you can see, this is the video I used for my learners to see. For the learners to see on my laptop, and then the learners use their smartphones to join a Kahoot quiz with 3 questions. For the development phase, my learners worked in pairs on the laptop using the PHET simulation. As you can see, this is the ICT tool I used. They dragged the connected battery wire and bulb to the to build the virtual circuits, and then I also showed them at the end the bulb must light, like as you can see right now. This let them practice safely before using real components. For consolidation, learners built real circuits with actual batteries and bulbs. They used my smartphone camera to film a 10-second video explaining why their bulb lit up. This is the ICT tool they used to take some videos of themselves when they were busy demonstrating how the circuit works. They also completed a Google Form exit ticket to explain open versus closed circuits. The tool I used to create the exit ticket question. The ICT tools I integrated were YouTube, Kahoot, PHET simulation, smartphone camera and Google Forms. Looking at the SAMR model, Kahoot is argumentation because it's the same quiz as paper, but technology gives same instant feedback and makes the learners more engaged. PHET simulation is modification because learners could redesign and test 10 different circuits in 5 minutes. The video and Google Forms is redefinition because learners become creators of content. In terms of roles, my role as a teacher was to demonstrate, guide and ask questions. The learners' roles was to explore, build, test and explain their thinking. This lesson was effective because my learners were actively engaged. What I would improve next time is that 2 learners had no smartphones, so I paired them. For inclusive learning, visual learners benefited from the YouTube and PHET graphics. Kinesthetic learners enjoyed building real circuits and filming. In conclusion, ICT integration made the abstract concept of electricity visible for grade 5 learners. Thank you for watching.